Hey everyone, in this video I'll show how you can record voiceover in Davinci Resolve. So let me just import a clip. In order to record your voice, you need to go to Fairlight and then you have to add a new mono track. I am giving it a name VoiceOver for my reference. You can use any name of your choice. After this, you have to go to the top section and click on Fairlight and then click on Patch Input Output. A new window will appear. Here at the source, you need to select audio inputs, and at the destination, you need to select track input. After that, you have to select the track which you have created, that is voiceover in my case. If you don't see your microphone under source, then follow these steps. Go to Preferences, then click on Video and Audio I/O. Here you need to select your input device. In my case it is HyperX Virtual Surround Sound, so I will just select this and click on Save button. Again I'll go to Fairlight, then you will be able to see your microphone under Audio Inputs. You can see your microphone and select the mono track which you want to record and then click on Patch. After that, click on small R button on the audio track. Then you need to click on Record button for recording your voiceover. And that's how you can record your voiceover in Davinci Resolve. I hope you liked the video. For this particular video, I have done the voiceover in Premiere Pro. So comment down and let me know if you want the tutorial on Premiere Pro for recording voiceovers. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.